Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be 10 gift ideas for Mother's Day, and if you didn't know, Mother's Day is coming up very soon. And now you know, and you have no excuse. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 different gift ideas. So we got some ranging from very inexpensive, super easy to do or buy, and then some more luxury items and some experience ideas. So hopefully I get you covered in today's video and you get some ideas. Also, I did a video of DIY gifts last year, so I'll have that video linked down below if you want to go check that out. If you're balling on a budget, that would probably be a great video to watch as well. And what else? Oh yeah, last year I did this super cool thing where I got you guys to comment down below one special thing you love about your mom, and it was so lovely reading those comments. Some of them brought me to tears and it was just so special, so I want to do that again. So before we get into the video, pause the video, or just go ahead and comment down below one special thing you love about your mom. I would love to read them. I will also have my lipstick and my earrings linked down below in case you want to go shop them. I think that's about it. If you're new here, subscribe. It's a good time. You should turn on post notifications too so you always get notified. And I think that's it. Let's get started. Gift idea number one is to bake something. And I know that a lot of moms probably have a sweet tooth and they probably have a favorite, whether it be a cookie or a type of cake. And you making that for them would be really special and just a nice little treat for them on Mother's Day. The second gift idea I have for you guys is something that is, again, really inexpensive, and that is just such a lovely gesture. If someone did this for me, I would be so happy, so I can just imagine how happy a mother would be, and that is to wash and detail her car. So basically, you just get a bucket of soap, wash their car, and then vacuum the inside. Trust me, they will love it and they will be so thankful. So that's a really inexpensive one, and it probably only takes an hour of your time, and she would be very appreciative. The third gift idea is a pretty standard one, and that would be flowers and a gift card, and you guys can do gift card to whatever she would like. Maybe there's a local pedicure place that she likes to go to, you could get that, or Sephora if she's been eyeing some fancy skincare that she doesn't necessarily want to buy, but you have no idea what that is, so gift card would be the best option. Or the movies, or if she, I don't know, moms are into so many different things. I'm sure she has a place that she could totally use a gift card for, and that is a really simple, easy gift if you're, in a pinch and you're watching this video on Mother's Day. Flowers and a gift card are a good option. The next gift idea I have for you guys is to sign your mom up for a subscription service, whether this be a monthly box or a wine club or something like that. I wanted to show this one. This is my face story, and I love this one. It's not sponsored, but I think this is such a good gift. Basically, it's a monthly face mask subscription service. So you get around seven sheet masks every single month, and they're all different, and you also get a card in here that tells you which masks do what things. And I just think this would be such a treat for your mom to receive every month if they like doing skincare stuff, and it's just such a fun box. I love it. I did get sent double, so I'm going to actually be giving away this box to one of the lucky people watching this video. So if you want to enter to win, I will have a link down below. It'll be super simple. I would show you what's in here, but I don't want to ruin the beautiful packaging because I definitely know I won't be able to put it back the same. So yeah, if you want to win this for your mom or for yourself, I will have a link down below. But I just think this would be such a good gift for your mom to receive, even if it's one time or just a subscription for 3 months or 6 months or something. I know I love receiving this, and I think every mom would too. Next couple ideas I have for you guys are little gift basket type of things. So the first one is for if your mom likes gardening. I think putting together a little planter box would be so cute. I actually found this really adorable little planter set on Amazon, so I'll link it down below. It's adorable, and I think it's Amazon Prime, so you can get it in time for Mother's Day. And including that with just some regular seeds or maybe some already potted flowers would be such a cute gift and would make a really nice display on the table. And I just think that would be such a fun gift. I know my mom loves gardening, so that is something I would kind of think of to get her. The next gift basket type of idea is kind of cheeky, but I call it the chauffeur kit, because if you have a mom that drives you around all the time, maybe you're going to soccer practice or dance and she's just constantly driving you all the way around and being the best human ever, this would be such a cute gift to get them. And it's basically just a car kit, so you can include Kleenex and sanitizer and gum and an air freshener. You can kind of think of all the things you would maybe need in a car and that she would use on a daily basis, and it's just nice to have in her vehicle. I think this would be such a good gift, and maybe it's something that you can go in on with your siblings as well. You guys can have fun with it, but I just thought that would be a really fun idea, and you can pick up most of the stuff at Target or Walmart or something, so it's going to be fairly inexpensive. Next gift idea is for the wine-loving moms in your life. Maybe your mom is actually working on Mother's Day, but how cute would it be if she came home to her favorite bottle of wine and a cheese board set up? I know cheese boards can probably be quite intimidating, but honestly you just go to the cheese section, get a couple cheese, make it look all pretty on a tray, and set out a bottle of wine. Really easy, fairly inexpensive. Obviously you can only buy the wine if you're of age, but I think this would be a super special gift and just a nice little treat to have your mom come home to one day after work or something, even if it's not on Mother's Day. I just think this is a really fun idea, and I love wine and cheese, so it seems like a great option. The next gift idea is for the bath loving mother in your life, and I highly recommend this if she doesn't have a bath tray already to get one, because they are so awesome. I use mine all the time. I got it for Christmas and I love it. I will have it linked down below. It's by the brand Umbra, so you can get it on Amazon, and it is just like the coolest thing. So it just like sits over your bath. It has this little stand thing so you can put a book or your iPad or something. It has these little like divots so you can put your razor or a glass of wine in there, and then there's a couple sides. Actually, this is actually for your wine glass. It just like slides in. So yeah, other tools can go here, you know, you can put a candle, whatever you want. I think this is such a awesome gift if your mom likes taking baths, and if she doesn't have one, she'll be so grateful to have one once she starts using it. And then of course, to go along with that, you could always get a bath bomb or some bath products. Wanted to show this one because it's so cute. It would come unpackaged if you get it from Lush, but there's so many bath bombs at Lush and they're like around $6 usually, so anything like that would be a really nice pairing with a bath tray, and I think that would be a really awesome gift. The next more expensive gift idea I would definitely recommend going in if you have siblings or if you just want to spoil your mom, and that is to get a diffuser. And I didn't want to like pull mine forward, but that's it back there. It's from Sage. That is the 24-hour one, so it's like a really big one, but they do make smaller ones that run for about, I think, 12 hours. And it's just such an awesome gift if they're really into home and different things like that. And you can also pick up little kits of essential oils. So maybe if they already have a diffuser but you want to get them some oils, this one is their diffuser blend collection called Happiness, and it comes with 4 different essential oils. It's such a cute gift. Again, a little bit more expensive, very luxury, but I love this, and I know my mom loves this too, so I just wanted to mention that. Also, quickly, I don't know if it's cheeky to get your mom cleaning products for, not Christmas, but for Mother's Day, but Sage did come out with some cleaning products, and I picked up this little set for myself because I'm crazy. But I think this is such a cute gift, and like if your mom, you know, likes cleaning, then I think it's appropriate. I mean, I don't know if that's like mean or not, but this one comes with the multi-clean, a glistening glass, and then a bathroom bright, and they smell so good. They're so cute. This is just like the little mini trial set, and I just think these are so sweet and like such a luxury cleaning product. I don't know. I just thought I'd mention it because it's so cute, and if your mom's into that, this might be a good gift. And the last gift idea I have for you guys is something you would probably normally typically think about when you're thinking Mother's Day activities, and that is taking your mom out for afternoon tea. Of course, only do this if your mom's into that, or maybe your grandma or something. I just think this would be really special, and experiences are always such a great gift because it's creating memories, and I just thought I'd throw that out there if you maybe haven't thought of that one before. But yeah, that pretty well wraps up all of my Mother's Day gift ideas. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out the description box down below to see how you can win the My Face Story box. I'll be giving away, probably have this running for like a week or something. You probably won't get it for Mother's Day, but it can be like a delayed gift, or it can be a gift for you. Whatever you want, that will be down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.